Hello there and welcome back. I'm so glad you're here with me today. This is Victoria Brooks, and on this channel, we talk openly and honestly about men's health, especially for those of you over 50 who want to stay strong, confident, and connected to your best self. If you've ever found yourself eager for intimacy but felt that your body just wasn't cooperating the way it once did, please know you are far from alone. It's a challenge many men face, but let me reassure you, your body isn't broken or failing. Very often, it simply needs the right kind of support. And surprisingly, that support can start with something as simple as the vitamins you choose each day. In today's session, I'll be walking you through 3 powerful vitamins that directly influence blood flow, erection strength, and overall energy. More than just naming them, I'll show you how to take them in a way that makes a real difference, so your body can actually use what you give it. And if you stay with me until the end, you'll leave with a straightforward plan you can start following right away. Let's begin with the first vitamin, vitamin D. I affectionately call it the sunshine vitamin, since our bodies naturally produce it when we're out in the sun. But here's the catch. As the years pass, our skin becomes less efficient at turning sunlight into vitamin D. Add in the fact that so much of our modern life is spent indoors, and levels often fall quietly without us even noticing. Why does this matter so much? Vitamin D plays an enormous role in circulation, hormone balance, immune support, and even mood. When levels dip too low, blood vessels can become stiffer and less responsive, making strong, steady blood flow harder to maintain. Testosterone levels may also slip, leaving you with less energy and less firmness. For many men, the hidden culprit behind frustrating changes in performance is a simple vitamin D deficiency. But here's where things get especially important. It's not just about popping a supplement, it's about making sure your body can truly absorb it. Because vitamin D is fat-soluble, it doesn't dissolve well in water. Taking it alone, on an empty stomach or with just a glass of water, often does very little. The smarter way is to pair it with a meal that includes healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, nuts, or eggs. That combination makes all the difference, ensuring your body absorbs and uses it to keep your vessels flexible, your circulation strong, and your testosterone supported. Vitamin D isn't a quick boost, it's a foundation. It sets the stage so your body can perform naturally, exactly the way it was designed. Now let's move to the second nutrient, vitamin B12. I like to think of B12 as the spark plug of your system. It keeps nerves firing properly, blood vessels functioning efficiently, and oxygen flowing to every part of your body, including those areas most important for intimacy. Without enough B12, oxygen delivery weakens, circulation slows, and energy dips. It's a recipe for fatigue and unreliable performance. What's surprising is how many men over 50 are unknowingly deficient in B12. As we age, our stomach produces less acid, and acid is what frees B12 from the food we eat. If you consume fewer animal products or deal with digestive concerns like reflux or gastritis, the problem can be even greater. Even men who eat fairly balanced diets can come up short. Signs of deficiency can appear in subtle ways: low energy, tingling in hands or feet, memory slips, or a persistent lack of focus. The best time to take B12 is in the morning. It provides a natural energy lift and primes your circulation for the day ahead. And here's a key tip. Instead of traditional pills that must go through your entire digestive system, consider a sublingual form. It's a tiny tablet that dissolves under your tongue and goes straight into your bloodstream. This direct pathway makes absorption far more effective, supporting nerve health, red blood cell production, and circulation almost immediately. For men seeking reliable energy and better performance, this one small change makes a noticeable difference. Now let's talk about the third essential vitamin, vitamin C. Most people think of vitamin C as the go-to for colds, but its role in men's health is far greater. For men over 50, it's one of the most underappreciated allies in maintaining erection strength. The reason? Vitamin C is essential for producing nitric oxide, the very compound your body uses to relax and widen blood vessels. Without sufficient nitric oxide, blood flow becomes restricted and firmness suffers. On top of that, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. It shields your blood vessels from the stress of aging and everyday free radical damage, helping them stay flexible and strong. Imagine it as a protective shield that keeps your arteries and veins in good condition so blood can move freely and efficiently. The healthier your vessels, the more dependable your performance. Here's how to get the most from it. Take vitamin C in smaller, divided doses, typically morning and evening, because your body doesn't store large amounts. It uses what it needs and releases the rest. Consistent intake keeps nitric oxide levels stable, supporting steady blood flow throughout the day. Pairing vitamin C with water or with fruits like berries, oranges, or kiwi makes absorption even better. Over time, this routine strengthens more than your immune system. It supports vitality, confidence, and intimate strength well into your later years. Now, when you bring these 3 vitamins together, vitamin D for hormone balance, vitamin B12 for energy and oxygen delivery, and vitamin C for nitric oxide and vessel protection, you're giving your body a foundation. It's not about instant miracles or quick fixes. It's about building reliable conditions so your body can do what it's naturally capable of. The piece many people miss is consistency. Taking vitamin D once in a while won't shift your hormone balance. Using B12 only here and there won't rebuild your energy. Skipping vitamin C for weeks won't support nitric oxide production. The results come when you commit, taking them daily, in the right way, over time. Think of it as an investment in your long-term vitality. The payoff might not show up overnight, but when it does, it feels strong, natural, and reliable. And of course, vitamins do their best work when paired with healthy habits. Hydration, regular movement, and a nutrient-rich diet that supports circulation all magnify the benefits. This isn't about waiting for a magic pill. It's about equipping your body with every tool it needs to thrive. So if you're a man over 50 and you're ready to experience firmer, more dependable performance, here's your starting point. Take vitamin D with a meal containing healthy fats, use vitamin B12 sublingually in the morning, and take vitamin C in divided doses to sustain nitric oxide throughout the day. Follow this simple plan with consistency, and you may be surprised at just how much strength, vitality, and confidence return. I'm Victoria Brooks, and I want to thank you for sharing this time with me. If today's conversation spoke to you, I'd love for you to subscribe for more practical, compassionate, and empowering guidance on men's health and intimacy after 50. Always remember, your body still holds incredible potential, and with the right care, that strength is yours to reclaim.